video is all about low maintenance hair products for high maintenance hair. My hair type is thin, fine, and curly. So to get it to look like this is a lot of steps. To get it to stay like this, that's a whole other story. These hair products are gonna be great for a slicky, curly hair, a blowout, wavy hair, all the different styles you might want to wear. So like I said, my hair is naturally curly and very prone to frizz. Recently I have discovered a new favorite hair oil that I have been leaning on, even more than my Olaplex number 7, which if you've watched me for any amount of time, you know that has been like my oil. But this baby right here, the Kerastase Elixir. Let us talk about this. Now listen, I do have fine, thin hair. My hair gets weighed down very, very easily. This oil does not weigh my hair down. When you feel it, it feels pretty heavy, but once it goes on the hair, it does not feel heavy at all. I don't know how it does that, but I will apply this to my wet hair before I heat style with my blow dryer, and then I will finish off my hair. Recently started using this, I think about 4 months ago. Like nearly every time that I wash my hair, period, like I'll let it air dry and that's all I've used. A tiny little goes a very long way. I don't even have shine spray in my hair. This is just the finish of that oil. My hair is not naturally shiny. It is very curly, very frizzy, but I love this for shine when I do a blowout. If I want more of a texturized beachy wave finish to my hair, let me show you something. The R&Co Rockaway Salt Spray. I recently talked about this in a video and let me tell you, I love it. First of all, the packaging. How cute is this with the people on the beach? The people on the beach. I love this. I will finish off my curly hairstyles as well with this, but watch. I don't have it in my hair yet. I'll show you the finish it gives. I like to lift and spray, and I will focus on my ends, and it just gives, look at that, a little more volume on the ends, because I don't want volume up here. If I'm gonna have volume, I want volume and weight at my ends, because that's where my hair looks the thinnest. But it just gives you that perfect cool girl kind of finish to your already styled hair, but also it looks great if you are like out at the water or your hair is air dried and you might have a natural wave or curl to your hair. It just gives that cool girl vibe, that cool girl kind of finish to the ends or all over. It depends. If, you know, if you have thicker hair, you might want to spray it all over. I just like to give the illusion that my ends are a little bit thicker than they really are, and this spray does that. And it smells like a very nice, like luxury hotel type of lotion. But R&Co, I love this brand. I love their styling products. Absolutely wonderful. They broke off from Orbe a while ago, so that kind of split, like some people left from Orbe, split to go form R&Co. It's just kind of like a cooler vibe. They have a lot of great styling products that are just different than everybody else. I've been wearing my hair curly non-stop. I have found the perfect combination to enhance my fine curly hair. Love this combo. It is a duo. But I just want to say, when you have curly hair, it's hard sometimes to not want to overdo it with too many products. You want to keep layering. Feel like that's really going to give you like the perfect finish, and then add an oil. Sometimes it's too much, especially if your hair is fine and curly. So this is the duo. This is the only thing I've been applying to my wet hair to create these curls. And I just feel like my hair has been curling better than ever. And I've raved about these products before, but I've always added more to the routine. These two together, that's it. When my hair is sopping wet, I will apply the Kerastase Curl Manifesto Cream. This is a leave-in conditioning cream, so you can just leave this in and not style your curly hair. Curly hair can be so high maintenance, but this really does make a difference. It makes my curls very soft. They don't get weighed down, and they actually stay curly even the next day after I've slept on them. And then I will go in with the Kerastase Curl Manifesto Gel Curl Contour. This is a gel, but it looks a little thicker than a gel. It looks almost like a cream, but not quite. It is a little translucent. take a diffuser to it. I have a whole curly hair routine, so if you would like to see that, I will link that. I'm telling you right now, what's changed the game is just these 2 products. I have a couple more products that I apply to my curly hair in the curly hair routine video. Definitely take notes from that video. It's a wonderful one. If you have my type of hair, it's really hard to figure out what to do with this type of hair, but I feel like I figured it out. I just can't tell you. And then if I want a little more hold, like if I'm wearing a curly hair updo, which I do a lot, then I will go ahead and use this almost like a hairspray. Speaking of curly hair updos, I want to talk about what I've been using to kind of slick back my hair when it is curly, and I leave a few little, you know, curly tendrils out. I just really like that look. Changed the game and I'm almost out of it. The L'Oreal Elnet Slick Back Cream, up to 24 hours, anti-frizz. Yes, yes, yes. I want to say this, I have tried this to slick my hair back like in just like a straight slick bun. It doesn't have enough hold. It might prep your slick bun and then you can go in with a hairspray or even stronger hold pomade. But when I do the curly hair updo and I slick back my curls and pull out my curly hair tendrils, I guess because I already have my curly hair products in, the anti-frizz is definitely there. I will even get no frizz the next day, so I can just go ahead and create that updo again with the product that I already have in my hair. It's pretty great. This is wonderful. One of my absolute favorite hairstyles to wear is a slick back bun. Grew up in ballet. I have always loved a slick back bun, just like a perfect, no bumps, just, we're going way back in the day. I think my mom used this in my hair, other than LA Girl, to get my hair crunchy and slick and to stay through dance. It is the Aussie Instant Freeze Sculpting Gel. All right, if you are looking for your slick back bun to last in the heat, the wind, all day, if you accidentally sleep in it and you still want it there, which I don't recommend, that is not healthy for your hair will break. But I'm just saying, sometimes life can get crazy and it calls for something like that. This gel is serious. I don't like it for when I wear my hair curly, but I love to use this for a slick back bun because I will go ahead and brush my hair back, you know, and then I will take this, run it through my hair, brush it, brush it, brush it, put a part in my hair. It becomes the perfect cast of just hard gel. It stays all day. I will say though, once you start applying this, you don't have a lot of playtime. Get that slick back bun slicked back. Do it quickly. I mean, like instant freeze, that is no joke. If you have any frizzies or you would like to lay something down on your part, this is what I've been loving to use. This is very specific though. I have been battling thinning. I have been loving this for that. Now you could use any pomade, but if you have been battling thinning hair, especially around your hairline, or you have regrowth around your roots from losing your hair previously, you'll love this. Kerastase Genesis Instant Thickening Molding Clay, weakened hair prone to thinning. This has creatine in it, okay? And I feel like I have definitely noticed like my little fine hairs growing back faster since I've been using this. I will also use this like when I wear my hair like this and I'll kind of go run it through my part. I did not do that today, but I can show you now. I just take a little bit. I can barely see kind of what I'm doing because I'm just looking in the viewfinder. I take about that much if I want to apply it to my part. But say my hair slicked back and you don't see any frizzies around my face, this is why. And it is light enough for fine hair, so you will not feel like you have a bunch of product in your hair when you use it this way. Of course, if you have a slick back bun and you're using it like that, you're gonna feel hair product, but not when you're just using this alone. And look, like around my face, that just instantly slicked my bangs down. I just prefer that look right now. You can run it the rest through your ends. A little goes a long way. If you have fine thinning hair, or you're just regrowing from some sort of traumatic hair loss, this will help. Don't know how they do it, but Kerastase is wonderful. I love their hair products, and it smells so, so good. You know how long I've talked about Kevin Murphy Session Stronghold Hairspray, which I love. I still love, but I used to love it for every single updo I did. Every single updo. There was nothing that could beat it. And I can't believe I've never tried this hairspray before, but I tried it recently, and I haven't looked back. It's the Got to Be Glued. It's the Got to Be Glued. That's it. It's amazing. It looks severe, because it is severe. The hold is severe. This stuff is crazy. It doesn't have a strong scent either. It just kind of smells like hairspray, but that fades. So it's not like it's offensive all day or anything. I love it. Yeah, spike, cement, finish, screaming hold. You cannot get a more severe hairspray than this. It works. Especially it's in the hot heat. If you have curly hair and you are trying to wear your hair slick and sleek and be cute like that, just get this. Like, the youngins that use this are correct. It's incredible. It's been around forever. It works. I love it for my sleek updos. I love it to finish off my curly hair updos when I know I might be in the wind or I want to roll my windows down to drive to the lake. Those are my low maintenance hair products for high maintenance hair. All of these, they're so easy to use, beginner friendly. Not every hair product is beginner friendly. All of these are. I love them as somebody who is a hair product junkie. These are just absolutely wonderful for all of my favorite hairstyles to wear. I would love to know your lineup of go-tos. Please let us know in the comments. I love how searchable you guys make the comments. I always find great products just looking through your comments. So thank you so much. Everything listed in the info box below. This was so fun doing a hair video. Let me know if you would like to see more, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you. Goodbye.